We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. For reference, this is a word of French origin. In French it is said as moustache, moustache. In English, however, it is generally said as moustache, moustache, although some do pronounce it a little bit closer to the French way as moustache, moustache, or moustache. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.